Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining me for my workshop, 7 Days to a More Confident Dog, Making a Difference in Just 1 Week. I'm Julie Daniels. So positive transfer, I want you to understand, positive transfer is huge. If your dog is actively engaged in improving his confidence in one area, it will transfer to other areas where you might have difficulty. Dog's choice and control. We hear it every day. These days, we know, thankfully, that choice is important to confidence building. We will honor dog's choice throughout this workshop. Optimism is your dog's expectation of future success based upon the aggregate level of previous success that they feel. All we can do, and this is big, we can overwrite all those experiences of, oh no, with experiences of, oh yes.